Hi there everybody, and welcome back to the Washing Line Railway. You join me today on the spring gala day. It was such a nice day, we got some cracking weather, so I decided to get the trains out for a little spin. You'll see some interesting combinations and I hope you enjoy this. I'll pop up every now and again with a bit of information about the loco that's currently on the screen, but other than that I will let you enjoy the clips. The loco currently on the screen is number 1. It's a Houston Gate Locomotive Works LB1 loco. It was the first one I ever had and I really enjoyed putting it together. Really cost effective, great runner, and highly recommended for anyone who is getting into garden railways. Next up is a PDF Models Ernie loco. Again, this was a real enjoyable loco to build. Again, very cost effective and really reliable. It's also the most powerful loco on the Washing Line Railway. I've been really pleased with the amount of support and encouragement that I've received since starting this YouTube channel recently. I'm very keen to grow the channel, so if you could consider dropping me a like and a subscribe, and also if you've got any comments about how I can improve the railway, please do drop them into the comments bar. The locos you're currently seeing on the screen are numbers 1 and 3. 1 is of course the Houston Gate Locomotive Works LB1, and number 3 is a PS Models Hudson. Both quite attractive little engines and they really do the job. It's the first time I've run them as a double header and I'm quite pleased with the result.